Guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate it. So if you are new here, my name is Monica. You are so welcome. Consider subscribing, liking this video and watching to the end without forgetting to leave a comment in the comment section below. So to you my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. I do not take it for granted. I always appreciate for your presence here. You are treasured in my heart. So in today's video, I am going to try and lay my hair. This is something that I have never done before, but it is something that I've been desiring to do for a long time. And here is the time. I am gonna try and lay my hair. So I don't know whether it is going to lay back or maybe it's gonna backfire. I don't know. So if you are interested in this video, you wanna watch this video to the end. But before we begin this video, kama kawaida, this is the time for the encouragement for the day. And today's encouragement comes from the book of John chapter 14 verse 13 to 14. And this is what the Bible says. And these are the words of Jesus. And I will do whatever you ask in my name, so that the Father may be glorified in the Son. You may ask me for anything in my name. Ask me for anything, and I will do it for you. Have you asked Him what you desire in your heart? Try it, and you will see that God is faithful. May you be blessed as you continue to watch this video. So without further ado, we are beginning this video right now. So this is how my hair looks like right now. I'm going to spray my hair with warm water. I'm just gonna make sure that it is soaking wet for this can I call it trial? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I haven't done the previous hairstyle. I have unraveled it. So I am back, and this is how my hair is looking like. My hair is soaking wet. I sprayed my hair with warm water just to open up the cuticle so that the moisture will penetrate into my hair. And I will also apply this mixture of castor and olive oil before I apply the Cantu gel. I am going to be using this styling gel from Cantu, and as you can see, it doesn't have alcohol and neither does it have this. So it doesn't have those. So I don't have the right tools to lay my hair. What I am going to be doing, I'm just going to try and lay my hair with my bare fingers and see if it is going to work or not, because I really fear to over manipulate my hair, and I feel like using a brush in my hair, it can just break off my hair. And I'm so sensitive when it comes to my hair. I don't want to apply anything to my hair that will break my hair. And if it is going to fail, maybe I will consider this one. This is the only thing I have, but I never use this one. This is for the shoes, but I'll see. I hope it doesn't. I hope it doesn't. Oh, I hope it works out. I hope I don't end up using this one. So I am going to work section by section, so that it becomes so easy to do this job. So we are going to begin by the back section. So let us begin. I hope it works out. So let me begin with this section. See. First, I'm going in with this oil. Then I'll apply the gel. I'm gonna take this amount.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So guys, as you have seen, those are my end results. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel and you have watched my video to this, and consider subscribing, liking this video. Let me know what you think about this. And for me, I think I really tried, because it was the first time I did not use any brush on my hair. I just used my fingers. So I feel so proud of myself, and especially when it comes to my hair, I don't like to use brushes on my hair. And for me, it's not all about making sure that my hair is laying flat. For me, this one is okay, and I'm happy with the results, by the way. So thank you so much for watching my video to this far. You are awesome. See you you in my next one. Bye.